Hello students, I am Professor Amole Devde working in ICM College, Aurangabad. Welcomes you to Introduction of Digital Signal Processing, video number 1. Let us begin with this subject. Subject name is Digital Signal Processing. Subject title Digital Signal Processing, Class 3rd Year Electronics and Telecommunication, Semester 5. Subject code is ETC 304. Now we will go to first see the syllabus of this subject. It has got total 6 units, starting with introduction to unit first, introduction to DSP systems. It consists of basic elements of DSP systems, advantages of DSP over ASP, introduction to FIR and IR system. Then subtopic of this chapter unit is relation of FIR and systems. It consists of introduction, basic realization block diagram, FIR realization, direct form, in that non-linear phase and linear phase, then cascade and parallel realization, IR realization, direct form 1 and 2, cascade and parallel realization. Total time duration given for this unit is 6 hours. After that, second unit is the Z transform. It consists of the direct Z transform, the inverse Z transform, properties of Z transform, then rational Z transforms, inversion of Z transform, stability in Z domain, the one-sided Z transform, relation between Laplace transform and Z transform. After that, there is relation between Fourier transform and Z transform. Total time duration given for this unit is 8 hours. Now, third unit is discrete Fourier transform and fast Fourier transform. It consists of frequency domain sampling, the discrete Fourier transform DFT. DFT has a linear transformation, properties of the DFT, circular convolution and linear convolution versus circular convolution, then FFT algorithms, decimation in time, DIT algorithm, and decimation in frequency, that is DIF algorithm. Then computation of inverse DFT using FFT, and fast convolution techniques, that is overlap, add method and overlap save method. Time duration given for this unit is 8 hours. The next unit is FIR filter design. It consists of characteristics of FIR filters, then properties of FIR filters, FIR design using windowing techniques, that is rectangular window, Hamming window and Hamming window, then FIR design by using Kaiser window, and FIR design using frequency sampling technique. The total time duration given for this unit is 6 hours. Then the next unit of the syllabus of DSP is IIR filter design. It consists of introduction of IIR filters, IIR filter design using approximation of derivatives, impulse invariant method, and bilinear Z transformation method. After that, there is matched Z transform method, then design of low pass digital Butterworth filter, frequency transformation and comparison of FIR and IIR filters. The total time duration given for this syllabus of this unit is 6 hours. Now the last unit of the syllabus of digital signal processing is the unit 6, finite word length effects in digital filters. This consists of binary fixed point and floating point number representations, comparison of quantization noise, truncation and rounding, quantization, noise power, input quantization error, coefficient quantization error, and limit cycle. After that, there is oscillations, which consists of deadband, overflow, and signal scaling. And the final part of this unit is DSP processors, introduction, then architecture of DSP processor, TMS 320 C67XX, then specifications, comparison between general purpose and DSP processors. And the total time duration given for this unit is 6 hours. So we have seen the total syllabus of digital signal processing. This subject is having code as ETC 304, and total theory paper will be of 80 marks for this subject. Thank you.